Hi everyone, welcome back to our family YouTube channel Trio Dreamers. And we are back with our Throwback Europe tour which we did in the year 2019. It was a 12-day trip, and in this video you can see how we explored our 4 days Paris trip.
So let's check it out. So we started our journey from the Kolkata airport, and here we met with our parents, my Bapi and my Ma. They were also going for the same trip, but they were going through a tourism company, whereas we opted for our own customized tour which we were doing by ourselves. তো এখানে আমরা সবাই একসঙ্গে এসেছি, and we will be flying till Dubai together, and after that from Dubai they will be going to London and we will be going for Paris.
Now we are at the Dubai airport, which is one of the largest and the most beautiful airport, and here we are off for a connecting flight to Paris through the Dubai airport metro. And here you can see the double-decker Emirates flight which I was traveling for the first time.
So finally we reached Paris, and from the Paris airport we booked our Uber, and surprisingly a black Mercedes came to drop till our hotel. After we check in our hotel, we just went for an evening walk. An interesting fact about Europe is that the daylight is till 10 o'clock. So it was lovely wandering around in the evening. So as we were so hungry, so we went for an early dinner. So we choose a nearby restaurant where we had a local lovely dinner which was served awesomely, and we enjoyed the dinner thoroughly. So here you can look at the interior of the restaurant. So in Paris we stayed in the Ibis Hotel. The description of the hotel will be in the description box. So now we are ready for our local sightseeing. The first we will be visiting the different places of Paris. So we opted for the metro, which was the cheapest and the most convenient way of visiting and traveling throughout Europe. You can opt for the hop-in and hop-out buses also. So here you can see the first spot that we visited was the Arc de Triomphe. It was a beautiful piece of art. You can even go to the top of the roof and you can have the 360 view of the Paris city. But we just stayed there only, and we clicked the pictures, and we did not stood in the queue for having the tickets to go to the rooftop.
So this is the Eurorail. As you can see, the double-decker Eurorails, which is another way of traveling Europe in a convenient and cheap way. So finally we reached the most beautiful part, the Eiffel Tower.
It was like a dream come true for us. We couldn't resist ourselves, though we have the ticket for the next day, but we just came to hang out and see the beauty of the Eiffel Tower.
Yes.
The evening today we have booked for the Seine River, and we have done the ticket beforehand only, and it was a smart way to visit any of the places in Europe when the tickets are done beforehand. It saves a lot of time. So here now we are enjoying the ride of the cruise through the Seine River. The bridges were awesome, the churches and most of the famous buildings we can see through the tour only. Here you can see the Notre Dame. It got burned few days before only. It was very unlucky for us. One thing you must not miss in Paris, that is the roadside cafe. You need to hang out in any of the French cafe and spend a wonderful evening in Paris. Next day we got ready for our next trip, and today we are about to explore the Louvre Museum, which was again a masterpiece. And we did the ticket beforehand only. Online we just had the ticket, so it was very good to have the ticket beforehand because it was a huge queue when we reached there. So it looked privileged when we had the ticket beforehand and we could avoid the queue and we can enter directly. So inside the museum it was everything was just wow, and the architecture and the art and the different sculptures were just eyes and breathtaking. Here is the masterpiece, the Mona Lisa. So after we visited the Louvre Museum, now we are on the way to the Palace of Versailles. And again we chose the metro, which was convenient and the cheapest way to reach there. So now we have already reached the place. It was 20 kilometers away from Paris and it took a long time to reach there. But in a train it was quite comfortable and the scenic beauty was also awesome. So now we are on the way to the Palace of Versailles, which is again a wonderful piece of art. And a person from our art background, it will be a dream for them to visit the Palace of Versailles and the Louvre Museum because it is totally filled up with pieces of art. So after returning from the Versailles Palace or the Palace of Versailles, now today we are excited to see Paris from the top of Eiffel Tower. So we have already done the ticket from beforehand. We have already booked it online, and which makes a huge difference in the time because to stand in the queue and to take the ticket and again to stand in the queue for the turn to come, so it will take a long time. So it was a smart option to take the ticket from beforehand. And today we are off for the mesmerizing climbing to the top of the Eiffel Tower and seeing Paris from such an height. So now we have finally come down from the top of the Paris, and now we are sitting in front of the Eiffel Tower in the lawn and just enjoying the evening and just seeing the lighting of the Eiffel Tower.
So this was our part 1 of our Paris trip, and if you enjoyed it, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notifications so that you will be notified each time we post a new videos like this. Bye bye.